Have you considered adding a revenue stream for yourself but not sure where or how to start? Maybe you've searched social media but everything is so overwhelming. You'll find this short video very informative. There are essentially a few things you need to have in place before you can generate an online income. First, you'll need a product. Then you'll need a landing page to collect information. You'll also need a way to follow up with people who showed an interest in your product. For this, we typically use email marketing. Finally, you'll need traffic. Traffic is people who are interested in your product and visit your website or landing page by clicking on the link you've given them. There are various ways in which you can generate traffic. These include blogs, forums, YouTube, and social media platforms like Facebook and Instagram. This process is also known as lead generation, and is the most important part of the equation. If you're looking to make money online, but don't have what's required, we can provide you with everything you need, including the product, the landing pages, and the follow-up sequence. We'll even give you a coach to help and guide you through the process. All you need to do is get the traffic to your link, which we teach you to do anyway. This platform is newbie friendly and can get you results regardless of your age. Have a look at what 72-year-old Steve accomplished. Here's all the information you need to get started right now. We'll see you on the inside.